Hello students, in previous class we learned about the ungrouped data. Today we will learn about the group data. What is group data? Arranging of raw data in a group is called group data. Here we will take an example. Suppose weight of 10 students it is given 20, 22, 23, 30, 33, 36, 40, 45, 48 and 49. If we arrange it as a group 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then it is called group data. Understood? Here we will see in 20 to 30 there are 3 students where 30 is not included. Then there are only 3 students 20, 22 and 23. In 30 to 40, when 40 is not included, then it is also 3 students 30, 33, 36. 40 to 50, there are 40, 45, 40 and 14, 4 students. So we convert the raw data into a groups. So this is called grouped data. Understood? Here we will arrange it 20 to 30 in which 30 is not included. There are the 3 students 30 to 40 where 40 is not included. Then also there are 3 students 40 to 50 there are 4 students when 50 is not included. So this type of that distribution is called group distribution. Understood? Now, what is class interval or class? Now, class interval. Each group of raw data is called class interval or simply class. Understood? Each group of raw data is called class interval or simply class. Example 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, they all are called class interval. Understood? Now, lower class limit. What is lower class limit? The lower value of class interval is called lower class limit. So lower class limit of 20 to 30 is 20. Understood? Now upper class limit. The upper value of class interval is called upper class limit. For example, you will see upper class limit of 20 to 30 is 30. So class interval are two limits. One it is upper class limit and second it is lower class limit. Understood? Now what is the class size? So class size, the difference between the upper limit and lower class limit is called size or width of the class. Example 20 to 30. If we take the class interval 20 to 30, then the class size equal to 30 minus 20, that is 10. Understood? Now the class mark. What is the class mark? The average of upper class limit and lower class limit is called class mark. It means class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. For example, suppose we have to find the class mark of 20 to 30, then we add the upper limit and lower limit and it is divided by 2. That means 30 plus 20 by 2, that is 50 by 2 equals to 25. Understood? So this is the class size and the class marks. Tomorrow we will learn how we draw the histogram. Thanks.